YouTube, what's up guys? It's Mitch. Hope you guys, everyone's having a wonderful day, great Friday. We're gonna be doing an unboxing today. I'm gonna show you guys a cold air intake for your 2000 to 2005 Toyota Celica GT or GTS. I've installed this is from my website. I've installed this before. I've showed you guys how to do it in the past. I have a dyno sheet showing that this has actually gained 10 horsepower over the naturally aspirated with the OEM, the box intake, so the factory box. This intake, this cold air intake, gains you 10 horsepower and 10 torque. So really big deal. It makes the car feel more peppy. It gives you that top end power. So if you're wanting a nice, faster car, it gives you a lot of induction noise. Also, it looks really good. So I'm gonna show you the parts of today, and we're gonna do an unboxing video, you guys. I hope you like this. Make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel and you like Lotus content, Lotus ELISE, if you like turbocharged content, lots of turbos, 3 of my 4 cars are turboed, or if you like manual 6-speed cars, or any cool car. I got rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive cars. Make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump over to the box from my website. If you like this intake, first link below, swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW. But let's go ahead and go over to the box. So when you get the box in the mail, the first thing you're gonna get, of course, you're gonna know it's from my website. It's gonna say Mitch Dore on it right there. The first thing you wanna do, of course, when you get it is unbox it. So let's unbox it. I mean, this is an unboxing video. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once you have it open, this is what you're gonna get inside. The high flow intake, we'll look at that in a second, we'll set that aside. K&N, I love K&N. It comes with a real K&N intake. Then, you're gonna go in here, you're gonna get all the goodies, the hardware. Then, you're gonna get one of the pipes that you need, and then here's the actual intake, the beautiful. And they're all wrinkle black. So let's go ahead and pull this out. So we'll get to the intake part in a second. Let's open up the K&N that you get. It'll be sealed as well. This is going to be the K&N filter right here, air filter, beautiful. So this is a high flow intake. It comes from K&N. It says K&N here on here. The filter number is and it's just, I mean, absolutely me. I think it's let me look what the filter number is. It's RU1460 is the one that you're gonna use. It's perfect, it's small, it fits up exactly where you're gonna want this. I love this little intake right here. And this is the one, it even comes like a little bit adjacent, so it has a little bit of mounting. And this is perfect. This is exactly what you need when you go to mount this. So it's gonna set this aside. I love this K&N. I love the color of it. Now you're gonna get a filter or a hose, which is gonna be for the vacuum lines that you're gonna use. So we'll set that on the side. And then you're gonna get a box of a ton of hardware. So let's go ahead and open up all the hardware that you're gonna need. So inside the hardware, you're also gonna get the mounts. You're gonna get the coupler, which is in black, and it's a nice black coupler, which I think this looks really aesthetic. That's a really good looking coupler. I don't like the blue ones. I don't like the ones that have like orange on the side. This is just a nice solid black, durable coupler, which is awesome. In addition to it, another thing that I really like is that with this kit, I'm gonna take it all and set it all line it all up. But with this kit, with the coupler that you get that's black, with the wrinkle black intake filter, or the intake hosing, I'll show you in a second, with the black vacuum line hose, we're gonna set all these over aside, and then you get all matching, all the clamps are the exact same, which I find that really aesthetic. There's a lot of cars that come with, or you'll buy a secondhand car, and all the clamps are different. I hate that, that drives me nuts. So all the clamps that you get, even the one with the K&N is matching. We'll go ahead and set all these clamps aside, like that. That's perfect. We'll do all 3 of those. So we have all 3 of those that the kit comes with. It comes with a zip tie. It comes with some mounting. These are mounting brackets. So again, you get the 3 clamps. You also get clamps, adjustable clamps right here. 4 of these. Perfect. I love that part of this kit. The mounting, you get for mounting, you get a washer, you get a 10mm nut, a mount, and then this, how cool is this? This kit actually comes with new, so you don't have to use the OEM Phillips head. You don't have to use those for the map sensor. So again, if you want this, swing by MITCHDORE.com. Amazing, I love this. Look how beautiful. I always want to call it the charge pipe because it looks like charge piping because it's so beautiful. I love this. I think this looks so good. And I really like aesthetic clean things. This is like a big thing for me. The wrinkle black, I showed you guys how to wrinkle black. This is such a better wrinkle black job than the job. So now I'm going to show you guys how the filter sits on here. It's really simple. So this filter will sit on here like this. It goes right on. And then you're not going to be able to see the filter. It'll be tucked up underneath it. But I always like to have my clamps kind of always facing the same. So I'll go ahead, once I get this on here, I'm going to take an 8mm socket and then tighten this on here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the black beautiful coupling, and what you do is you put this on here. Let's go ahead and grab one of the larger ones. Let's see if this, yeah, this is perfect. And then again, I like to have it all facing the same way. Just an absolute beautiful piece. Look at this thing. This just looks so dang good. So when you actually install it, it actually kind of sits like this, kind of tucked up under, and it comes, this will be the, so it kind of comes out like that, and this will be the throttle body right here, and then this will be tucked up underneath where the fog light is for a beautiful cold air intake. It'll go through the filter, run through this pipe straight up into the throttle body, and it'll give it horsepower, gains more horsepower. It looks beautiful. The wrinkled black actually looks really beautiful. And then I love that the filter is here. One, you don't actually see the filter, it's kind of covered. And then two, you just see the piping. So to me, it looks pretty factory, yet it gives you 10 horsepower, 10 torque. I will dyno my Tsunami Edition again to show you guys. And then it also looks really aesthetic. So I love this. The big thing about it though is, why would you want something like this? Because it gives you more horsepower. That's why. I absolutely love this product. That's why it's on my website. If you guys want one of these, just swing by my website, grab one. Amazing. So I really like this product. I hope you guys like this unboxing. I can't wait to show you how to install it. It's going to be very soon that I show you guys how to install it. But K&N filter, wrinkle black, absolutely beautiful. Nice hardware that's all silver that matches. It's going to be really good. I can't wait to show you guys how to install this. It looks very good when it's all installed, and it kind of sits like this is how it kind of sits. So throttle body right there, and then it comes through, and again, boof, cold air just shoving right into that 2ZZ. This works on a GT as well as a GTS. This fits both of the models. It works on an automatic car, and it works on a manual car. And it won't throw a check engine light. As long as you guys follow the steps, it won't throw a check engine light. And I'll show you guys how to do the video to install this. Probably this weekend I'll be showing you, but I just want to show you guys some more horsepower, things that I'm going to get more horsepower out of my 2ZZ on my Toyota Celica GTS. I love it. Alright, so just finished the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really love this thing. If you want one, swing by my website, MITCHDORE.com. I love it. I think it looks good. I like the red of the intake filter. I like K&N, the brand. I think it's a good brand. Sometimes I run the oil filters. I really do like the complete aesthetic look. I like the wrinkle black. Currently I have wrinkle black on my Evo. I wish I got wrinkle black on my, or at least powder coated black on my MR2, but I left it polished aluminum. And then, believe it or not, my Lotus has some polished aluminum and some wrinkled black on the charge pipes. So I think this is just perfect aesthetic. It looks modern. It looks like it comes from factory. It looks nicer than the box. And the biggest thing is it creates more horsepower. So we will be doing a dyno soon for this. If you want more horsepower for your car, swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab one. If you want a short shifter kit, swing by my website. You want a badge or anything, swing by my website. But I think that these are awesome products that are gonna look really good on the car, and then of course increase horsepower, which everyone likes. Quicker shifts, more horsepower. I love my Apexi exhaust, and I think the combination of this cold air intake with the Apexi exhaust, one, is gonna make more horsepower, and two, is just gonna be like a beautiful setup for a naturally aspirated tsunami CELICA. I think it makes my build a little bit better, and I like it more than the stock slow box. So again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.